New evidence has surfaced linking Hyeji Bae to an international drug smuggling network that was exposed earlier this year. In a resurfaced Instagram story from the now arrested Japanese DJ Masanori Morita, it shows him tagging Hyeji Bae inside a Seoul nightclub, calling her family. Since then, Morita has been arrested in Japan for importing MDMA and ketamine, the same drugs investigators say were flooding Seoul's elite party circuit. The connection is disturbing. Before his arrest, Morita was seen partying with Bae in the very clubs believed to be distribution hubs for the illegal substances. When Japanese customs officers found vials of drugs hidden in his luggage, they traced the origin back to his time in Korea, where Bae once flaunted her access to those circles. For investigators, that Instagram tag isn't a coincidence. It's a clue. It ties Bae directly to a network of traffickers and users spanning Seoul, Tokyo and Taipei. Bae's connection to crime runs deep. Her ex-boyfriend Daesung of Big Bang and his disgraced bandmate Seungri were both central to the Burning Sun scandal, Korea's biggest case of drug trafficking, sex crimes and corruption. Records show she defended Seungri during the investigations, calling him innocent, even as authorities uncovered evidence of prostitution rings and drug trafficking linked to the club. Police reports and forensic testing of her pubic hair have confirmed narcotics in Bae's own system, and witnesses say she maintained close ties with notorious traffickers such as Eric Chang and Victor Chang, both previously implicated in cross-border drug operations. This new evidence, Morita's family photo, paints a clearer picture of Bae's role in the same underworld. Silverstar Oh, notorious for her drug-fueled breakdowns, and Miura, known for romance scams and fraud, were part of that same circle, calling each other family while profiting from deceit. What looked like a night of partying may have been part of a far darker exchange, a web of drugs, deceit and deliberate corruption. At 37, Hyeji Bae remains unrepentant, still appearing in the same venues that investigators now link to international smuggling. The question isn't whether she was connected, it's how much longer she can keep evading the consequences.